Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Select Loyalty and now select Shop, for example IKEA Poland. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's go back. Now let's add gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last one is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.